Greetings from paradise, or should I say Balos Beach. Amazing, breathtaking beach that in translation from ancient Greek, Balos means on top of the sea. And it's actually the the most northernmost point of the island of Crete. And for me, as my channel is called Beach Adventures with Chris, it was an adventure to get here for sure. It took me 13.5 kilometers walk and hike in the very steep terrain here in the forest, and lots of goats along the way. But for this view, it was definitely worth it. That over there is Balos Island, which I'm gonna cross over later. But first I wanted to have one episode from the main Balos Beach, which is the main part that you get when you get down from the very nice viewpoint there. Some people are not even coming down, they're just going by car to Balos and then take pictures from the top and don't even come here. There is also a boat tour coming from Kissamos later. And yeah, it is my second time in Balos, and hopefully this time the weather will be better, as last time I was here it was cloudy half part of the day. 20 degrees Celsius in the air, the last day of April, 30th of April. I can count around maybe 100 people currently on the beach, and it is 11:30 currently. Satellite measurement says 17.4 in the water, and my measurement says 22 degrees, but in the shallow water. So yeah, Chris is then ready to dive in for a swim here at Balos Beach. I'm gonna let you enjoy the marvelous views while I go into the shallow water here, and finally time for my first swim of the day. The color of the water is stunning, and here you can find your own inner peace because this beach front continues and it's pure sand inside. Together with Elafonisi and Falasana are three of the best beaches on the island of Crete, all of them on the west coast of Greece. Breathtaking indeed. Let's see, last 2 years ago I made so many episodes that I couldn't have time to upload, so I would just focus on the main part. So this is the first vlog from the beach, Balos, and later I'm gonna do from the island and also from the pools. You can actually walk to the island if you have your backpack up above. As some parts are deeper than the rest, but usually you will get to it. Alright, and then today is day 5 of my vacation in Crete, so only 2 days left after today, and this will be the second out of the 2 adventures that I have planned. The first one being Halasana that I did 2 days ago, and now it's time to enjoy in the waters here at Balos Beach together. So ready, set, and go! Okay, it's not that deep like I have fallen down, so I need to go a bit more further for a more better swim, as I saw some people passing by over their hips. The water is over here. I also made one episode last time with the natural pool, so I will be aiming for that as well. And yeah, let's dive in again and show you the underwater color of Balos Beach. It's stunning, it's so beautiful. Look at that. 3 hours hike, it was definitely worth it for this views and this feeling. I made the right choice for sure. Cool, now Chris will enjoy swimming in the sea here at Balos Beach and then explore around and see if I can find some secluded beach spots on the island of Balos Beach. Thank you so much for watching this episode. I'm so happy right now to be able to show you this wonderful, magnificent place, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Crete.